Now, there's other reporting that's specifically set up for the active sprint, including what's currently being worked on and what is the status of it. And then we have the active sprint board or active scrum board. Again, the terminology would be what you'd want it to be. But in here, this is that Kanban board I mentioned in the presentation where we have a physical status, and this one's organized by user or assignee. And let's say that I've completed this, then I can simply take it. Let's see, let me go down here so you can see. I can take this card, move it on the board, and that will update what's going on. It's in review, and if I have completed it, I move it over there, and now this item is completed. And we can realize that that progress on there. So it's a nice, easy way to see, okay, here's where everything's at. People are working on it, and then individuals can simply go to this view, this board view, take their card and move it where it needs to be. Let's say test website is going on right there. Now, if I double click on the card, it actually opens up the details of that task. So I see what this task is. If there was a description and some information there, I'd have that. I could adjust the percent complete. I could adjust how much time I'm spending on it, and you see everything else that's associated with it. So the Kanban board is very interactive and a way to see this active sprint and how progress is being made.